Definition of coordination number. Its calculation for a complex coordination sphere. Coordination number. The maximum number of ligands which can be coordinated to the central metal atom or ion is known as coordination number of that central atom or ion. Definition. What is mean by coordination number? For example, K4FeCN6. In this, that is potassium ferrocyanide, 6 Cn minus ligands are coordinated to the central iron atom, that is iron metal. Therefore, its coordination number is 6. That means 6 ligands if it is attached to the metal ion or the central metal ion. How many ligands are attached? That is the calculation. Here 6 ligands are attached. Therefore, the coordination number is 6. Similarly, in CuNH3 4 times SO4, that is SO4 is outside. The coordination number of Cu2 plus E is 4 only. That is only what is attached to the central metal atom. Therefore, 4 NH3 ligands are attached to the central copper atom. Therefore, the coordination number of this complex is 4. Coordination numbers of metals vary from 2 to 10. But the most common coordination number is 4 and 6. Choose the correct answer question. The most common coordination numbers are 4 and 6. The coordination number of a metal ion depends mainly upon its nature, its oxidation state, and on the nature of the ligand surrounding it. 3 points. The coordination number of a metal depends on which all factors? 1. Its nature. 2. Its coordination, its oxidation state, and on the nature of the ligand. 3. Then these are questions. That is 2 marks or 3 marks questions are there for your ISC examination. However, coordination number may be influenced by temperature, pressure, and nature of the solvent. Next question. Which are the factors which influence the coordination number? 1. Temperature. 2. Pressure. 3. Nature of the solvent. A particular metal may exhibit different coordination numbers in different complexes. For example, platinum has a coordination number 4 in PtCl4 2-, while the coordination number is 6 in complex like PtCl6 O-. The geometry of a complex depends upon the coordination number of its central metal atom or metal ion. The central, fill in the blank question. The geometry of the complex depends upon the coordination number of the central metal atom. Now, central metal atom with the coordination number 6 usually form octahedral complexes, while those with the coordination number 4 usually form tetrahedral or square planar complexes. Fill in the blank question. For 6, the shape. For coordination number 6, what is the shape of the molecule? Coordination number 4, what is the shape of the molecule? Or the reverse can also be asked. For octahedral complexes, the coordination number, fill in the blanks. And for square planar or tetrahedral complexes, the coordination number. Then charge number of a complex ion. The net charge carried by a complex ion is called its charge number. Definition. What is meant by charge number? It is equal to the algebraic sum of the charges carried by the central ion and the ligands attached to it For example, the charge number of FeCN6 minus is minus 4. It may be calculated as shown below. That is, FeCN6 minus, how it is getting? For example, the charge on Fe is plus 2. That is, by oxidation state we have to find out the oxidation state of iron. And it is found out that it is plus 2. Therefore, plus 2 plus Cn, each Cn is having a charge of minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 into 6, that is plus 2 plus 6 into minus 1 gives minus 4. This is the way to calculate the charge on a complex ion.